Welcome to Travel with Chu and Mark. So we've just arrived at our hotel and we're on the third floor, 305. First impression arriving was a bit iffy because the car parking wasn't ready, and then it sort of like put me off a little bit, but this looks okay so far. Let's pay 500 baht deposit for the key. We'll get in there at some point. There we go. So let's have a look. Does it want the thing in it? It does. We have a 4-poster bed. Will be hang on that in a bit. Flat screen telly, got somewhere to put your luggage, you've got a desk, fridge, tea and coffee. We've got the show when Chu is having her shower, so I'll be able to watch her having the shower. And a toilet and a sink there. Hopefully it's a hot shower, doesn't have a heater that I can see. And then we have a bit of a balcony, but we don't have any view at all, so that's a bit of a pointless, totally pointless area. Looks like it's a smoking place, which I've requested no smoking. And then this is obviously the wardrobe space we have, and a beautiful mirror. No smoking, no durian. 200 baht, 2,000 baht fine if you do, so that's like £50 fine if you bring a durian in. Yeah, we've got breakfast included. There's a swimming pool and there's a gym. So I'll take you and show you those shortly. And this is the gym area, and there's a toilet there, and then gym, and then this, believe it or not, is the pool, which is a little bit strange, to be absolutely honest with you. There's no real sitting round it other than here, so if Chu wants to come and sit on here, she's going to have to get her wet feet wet. You want to go and sit on there or not? So it's a trifle strange, but that's the swimming pool. And then basically the car park was here, look. Chu's just broke the handlebars, look. Oh my god. Yeah, see where that car's trying to get in there? That's the car park. The first impressions of getting into the car park was a little bit, shall we say, the least, not very good, but our car's there, look, that second white one, which he's sort of blocking now. But I guess getting out of the car park is going to be a challenge, so it'll have to be interesting. But we're not going to use the car tonight, so it'll be tomorrow. I'll just have a quick dip in this pool. And then we're going to go for a massage and a bite to eat.
This was colder than the other one.
Yeah, you swim into this step. Sort of. You've got like a step and you kind of swim into that. It's a bit weird, but it's okay now. So this is the way that we have to get back. You want more than that, Chu, they're going to get wet. Or are you going to trust in that already? Oh yeah. That's the reception lobby. And then from the lift you can get to the car park in. We're on 3. Where are you going?
3. We are 5.
3? You got the keys? Yeah. And you can get obviously to the car parking. Breakfast is down there, and the swimming pool and the lobby and the gym's on 2, and then we're on 3. And back to the room, and in the morning Chu's going to do you a shower show, and it is a hot shower. It's in that little cupboard there. She's going to do a shower show, aren't you, darling?
Yeah, I will do everything for you, darling.
Today it's Buddhist Lent Day, and that means alcohol sales are banned, which is possibly why some of the bars are shut this evening. Could be a teetotal night tonight. We're just going to go and have a quick massage for an hour, and then we'll go and get some food. This is quite near our hotel.
No,
What are you having, Chu?
we do Thai massage.
Thai massage?
Yeah, to you and me
Okay.
together.
So I'm in for a good hiding then. I'm going to get beat up.
Yeah.
So we're in the couples room now. I'm just going to get ready for the massage. That's where all the damage is going to be done. Chu's now ready, and I'm not showing you me because I'm in pink. That was a very quick hour. I fell asleep. Chu wasn't quite strong enough for Chu, but she was very strong for me. I heard Chu's back crack a couple of times. But yeah, overall it was okay. So I'm just having some of the gyozas there. I've had a mixed pork and chicken. I don't think I've had any vegetable. Sean's only told him pork and what's it. So 100 baht, just over a couple of quid. Bargain. And we've got some Thai dancing going up over there. Chu's gone wandering somewhere. And we're going to go and see the ladyboys in a second. Fresh ice cream. And they are still serving beer in these food courts, so with a bit of luck we're alright to come here tonight. So there's my fried gyozas. I've got a fork in my mouth now, so I'm trying to film that. Anyone spot Chu anywhere? We'll have a look at these dancing briefly. Very similar to the Thai dancing we watched the other night. Fancy table, put my food down on. I found Chu there, look. That was easy. Chu's got kapao blue.
Kapao squid.
Squid. Oh, that's squid. Right, okay.
A lot of chili.
A lot of chili, yes, I can see it. And the girls are dancing here. So, Chiang Mai Night Bazaar area, so it's the food court in there. Any good, darling? Oh, she likes it. Wow. These seafood places here do this big like seafood to share lot. Look at the mess they're in there, look. We've seen quite a few of them coming out tonight, but they do get a little bit messy. You want to box of baby wipes with that. And then these Koreans here outside of us, they've just come back with one as well. Sort of a mixed seafood. That would piss me off, getting all dirty and messy like that.
Many kind of food.
Many
kind of food.
Lots of food, yeah. Your mic's not on, by the way. You need to turn it on. And then here, we're making the ice cream. There's your durian again.
Jack potato.
Jacket potato, not quite jacket potato in a baked oven, it's grilled. Oh, good morning. We're just going to pop down for breakfast. We're a little bit late waking up. It is about 9 o'clock now. We haven't even made ourselves a coffee. Slept okay, bed's comfy enough, warm enough, aircon worked well. Overall it was alright. For some reason the mics didn't charge, so we'll just put them on charge while we go for breakfast. So we arrived for breakfast and got Mama, so there's hot water there. And we've got a coffee machine. We've also got some coffees here, some creamers. We've got your milk and some juices. Got a bit of salad here. Some fruits, some cereal, toast available. And then we have on here, just go to the other side, it was labelled up the other side. So we have rice and some vegetables. And it all feels quite warm. Fried chicken with Thai herbs and stewed pork tofu. And here we've got the same old crappy English style breakfast that they think. Clear soup, congee, and then all the condiments to go with it. So yeah, it looks quite good. Coffee machine, just missed my linking coffee there. Not to room, we can do another. But yeah, pretty decent breakfast. We'll let you know what it tastes like. So I've just had a little bit of chicken and some vegetables. And Chu's had the congee soup and a little bit of salad and fried egg. It's nice, it's okay, yeah. The chicken's alright. This is tofu. I'm not usually a fan of tofu, but it does taste okay. So overall breakfast quite decent here. Well, good morning. We're about to check out. Breakfast was okay. We slept all right. Overall, the room is okay. It's big enough. We've got a desk. Some of the stuff's a bit old, but it's okay. The shower was reasonably warm. The electrics is Thai style. You know, it's called Do Not Touch. But overall, it's all right. Toilet was a bit dodgy flushing, but it did flush eventually. And this one cost, what did I say it was? Oh, £19.50. This was £19.50 for the night. So you can stop in Thailand quite cheaply. Swimming pool were a little bit disappointing. And we're going to have a day, just going to get some clothes for Chu as we're running out of clothes. And we'll see how the day progresses, where we end up. Anyway, hit the thumbs up, drop us a comment below, and hit subscribe. Thank you. So this is the car parking. You've got, if you go through the door to the left there, that's where you go, and then you can get the lift to the lobby. Lobby's on the second floor.